By working together with Bitcoin, XRP has successfully made a big technical design that could be called a golden cross. When a short-term moving average moves over a long-term moving average, this technical pattern, often seen as a good sign, happens. When the 50-day simple moving average crosses above the 200-day SMA, this is called a golden cross, and it means that the price may be going up. Over the past few weeks, XRP has steadily made ground against Bitcoin. Because of the recent rise in the value of other cryptocurrencies, money has been moved from Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies, such as XRP. A look at trading when bulls kept going up from the low point of 50 cents on November 5th. The price of XRE hit its best point of $1.60 on November 23rd. That was the highest it had been since May 2021. Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), quit on Thursday, which was a good sign. By doing this, he made it clear that he would no longer be working to control the business of digital assets. At the moment, the market is paying close attention to how the price of XRP changes to see what the next part of its performance will be compared to Bitcoin. After this, what? There have been times when XRP has done better than Bitcoin in the past few weeks. Since November 12th, the value of XRP has gone through the roof, hitting levels that haven't been seen since November 2023 when paired with Bitcoin. The XRP-AC exchange rate hit its best point on November 23rd, the same day the golden cross showed up. XRP still needs to break through key support levels in order to keep going up compared to Bitcoin, even though the golden cross is a bullish sign. The XRP-BTC pair must first get past this problem in order to show that there is more room for growth. The quick rise in the price of Bitcoin is one example of a market event that could affect how well XRP does. Even though people are hopeful, the golden cross does not mean that more wins will happen. Instead, everyone is looking at the way the trend is most likely to go next. At the time this was written, the daily price of XRP was going down by 2.59 and was now worth 14 cents. A well-known cryptocurrency expert has noticed that XRP's 4-hour chart shows a clear 5-wave explosive structure. From a technical point of view, this is a big change for the coin. The fact that this Elliott wave pattern is present is a strong sign of bullish energy and suggests that prices could go up even more. At the moment, the price of XRP is $1.47. It just hit a high point of $1.62, which hasn't been seen since 2021. In the beginning of the study, it was shown that the token's lowest point was 49 cents. This is a pretty big turning point. According to Crypto Guru, this strong 5-wave rise marks the start of a longer-term bullish cycle. When he thinks about what will happen with XRP in the future, he stresses how important key levels are. To be more detailed, how will XRP need to grow? Basically, he said that if we move below the $1 start of the 5th subwave, it means that we are seeing a bigger wave of correction before the next impulse in wave 3. If support stays above $1.50, on the other hand, the 5th subwave might be able to keep growing, which could push XRP above $2 before it starts to fall again. The 5 XRP subwaves are clearly shown in the graph, showing that the coin follows the Elliott wave rules. The bigger story of market confidence is backed by good changes in the macroeconomy, and this new development further supports that story. There is a good mood in the Bitcoin market right now because Bitcoin has gone up to around $100,000. Additionally, the thought of Gary Gensler stepping down as head of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission makes people feel better. This is because people think that Donald Trump's new government will make regulations clearer. When looked at from a technical point of view, the $1 mark is a key proof point. If it breaks below that level, it means there will be a bigger correction during the wave and the price may test lower levels again before the expected third wave of impulsive growth. If, on the other hand, XRP can hold on to the support, it will help keep the current upward trend going. Credible Crypto thinks that XRP is going to keep growing, so this situation fits with their view. The state of the market as a whole makes this forecast even more likely. XRP is getting close to its all-time high price of $1.96 in 2021, which means that there is more interest in cryptocurrencies than ever before. The recent market excitement and the fact that institutional investors are now involved suggest that XRP is in a good situation for this long-term growth. Not long ago, an experienced trader said that XRP would go on a huge run if it went above $1.96. Since October 2024, the token network has grown a lot, with 46 more active nodes than before. This new development shows that there has been a clear rise in interest in and use of blockchain technology as more people and businesses get involved. It is amazing that the website now has 828 active nodes, which shows that a lot more people are using it. Like the action of nodes, the XRP network is growing quickly, as shown by the rise in the number of nodes. There are 165 nodes that are running on Ripple, but 434 nodes that are running on Ripple, which is a more current version of the software. Another thing is that 99 nodes are using Ripple 2.2, which shows that different versions are widely used across most of the network. When it comes to earlier versions like Ripple 2.1.0, there is only one active node, which isn't very much. These numbers show that more nodes are being added, which is directly related to more people using the XRPL. This is despite the fact that older versions of software are still being used. A lot of people are interested in the tool because it can handle transactions quickly and cheaply. Businesses and coders see the benefits of using XRPL in a number of different situations, including deals involving foreign payments and financing on your own. Because of this, the network gets more valuable as more people use it, and it also gets safer and more reliable as more servers are added. Developers are important for growth when they are involved. Given that the number of nodes on XRPL is growing, coders need to take part. One big difference between XRPL and other blockchains is that XRPL's growth is driven by coders who are building on the network. Because makers make so many different apps and solutions, the total number of nodes grows. Businesses are getting more and more confident in the platform's abilities, which shows how appealing it is to businesses that want to learn more about blockchain technology. If program developers want to make the network even stronger, they need to fully participate. Companies are being told that running nodes is an important part of their plan to stay ahead in the blockchain field because of these problems. In turn, this has led to the platform's huge growth. There are good things ahead for the XRP network now that there are more nodes.